water, right? Very good morning, all my dear students. Welcome to H.S.P in World of Chemistry. Suswagatam, and right now we are going to deal with distinguishing test, which holds a hell lot of weightage, my dear students. Once we talk about any paper, whether I talk about J or I talk about Neet examination, this is the thing which can change your result. My dear students, are you ready? I can't understand. 1111, which class you are in? Sahana HSPN? Dropper. Yeah. Good morning. What I can see. Now this session is going to be very short and precise. Whatever the time is required, I will take, but I will tell you each and everything about all distinguishing tests. Not a single distinguishing test will really there, which is, I can say I will not leave any distinguishing test, right? I will cover each and everything about related to distinguishing test. Before I start, my dear students, good morning, 6788. I'm Lucky Shiva, welcome. I'm going to cover all those things as I have told you the prediction of the paper. Once what I'm going to tell you, just take care of it, put it in your copy. So better to sit with pen and copy, my dear students. This is really going to change each and everything. Today's class is going to be the most important for your NEET 2026 or whenever you are going to appear for either J or NEET examination. Once I'm clear, loud and clear, you can see me. Lucky Shiva, in the evening I will take class 11 session. Okay, don't worry. Alternate days I have told you, so it will be there and the thumbnail will be there. Okay, so in the evening class 11 session will be there based on mole concept, molarity. Now, my dear friends, if I'm loud and clear, I would like to see green signal in the chat section. Just to let me know, everyone, that you can hear me, you can see me. Shiv is saying no green. What Shiv is writing, where Shiv has written, that message has gone. I can't see. Okay, now, my dear friends, everyone, Sahana, Shalvi Singh, good morning, Vishyam. Now, where people are getting confused, I can't understand. Sahana and 1111, what happened? Laptop session I will take. I have ordered mic because background noise was coming. So I have ordered one mic. Near about it will be of whatever the amount, doesn't matter. But I have ordered one mic just to take NCERT line by line classes from there. So that will just in 1 or 2 days, it will get started. Till that time, let's start. Okay, are you ready? Baba, take 2 or 3 hours only, not more than that, because it will get covered. All the distinguishing tests will get covered just in 90 minutes or 2 hours, not more than that. Shanti Moy Mandal, what's your question? Just to let me know so that I can start the session. I'm going to start the session, and those who have not subscribed and liked, please like this session and share it to all your friends, right, my dear friends? So that now I'm going to start this session. Everyone, these are the toppers pick, you know very well, all the top 10 toppers are over there. Now, my dear friends, first I will move according to the importance of the distinguishing test. Remember that whenever Shanti Moy Mandal, Baba, all teachers do 50 topics and leave them. They all are doing for views. Baba is the real teacher. I'm not going to do anything like that, 50 topics or like that. I can't make anyone fool. Whatever the teachers are doing, they mostly of them, they are doing for views. I'm not saying 100%. So I will go for your selection. Remember that. Baba is going to do. Baba have sent some questions. Please go through them. Okay, thank you, Shiv. Thank you. Now, my dear students, whenever I'm going to talk about distinguishing test, what is the meaning of this distinguishing test? Whenever somebody is saying Gushing. What is the meaning of this? Distinguishing test means when you add, distinguishing test means when you add some, suppose this is your substrate, or I can say reactant. There is reactant in this vehicle, and if you add a particular reagent to it, particular reagent is being added to it, particular reagent is being added to it, when reagent is going into the reactant, whether without heating or after heating, without heating or after heating, if you are going to get some smell or color or fumes, anything like this. So smell and fumes are not that much important. The most important thing out of these is color. If any color is appearing, my dear students, mark my words, if any color is appearing, that means that will play the most important role. Is it clear to each and everyone? So this color. Now you can't eat, you can't touch. No eating, no touching is allowed. Only the thing which is allowed is eyes. You can see, you can smell. See or smell. So distinguishing, when I talk about in distinguishing, what eyes can see, what nose can smell, that is allowed. That is allowed part. This is allowed. No touching, no eating. Mouth is not allowed. No touching, no eating. No touching, no eating. Suppose if somewhere is given salt and somewhere it is given as poison, so you can't check this is poison or salt. Champa will die. Baba, I saw you how to become a doctor's part. Very good, very good. Now come. Now see to it. First test is Lucas test. In this, the first test is Lucas test. Now, I hope that everyone knows Lucas test. But once if I'm going to ask that you know Lucas test, you will say, yes, sir, I know very well the Lucas test, but actually you don't know. Everyone just write down in the chat section what is Lucas reagent. My question is, what is the Lucas reagent? Do let me know in the chat section what is Lucas reagent. Let's see how many of you can tell me what is a Lucas reagent. If you know this, you have studied 100 times, but my question is, what is Lucas reagent? Let me check it out. How many of you know this Lucas test? I will tell you those points where you people are getting failed. Those points, my team, please help the camera. Whenever I'm moving away, I'm going away from the slide, the camera is not working properly. So my team, if you are there, please help me that this camera is fluctuating. Now, my dear students, write down. Now your answer is wrong. Santimoy Mandal, Somik, everyone, your answer is wrong. Everyone's answer is wrong. Now see, Lucas reagent is an equimolar, so whenever I am moving this side, the camera is, see, its brightness is getting changed. So an equimolar solution, first point, my dear students, remember that 1:1, an equimolar solution of, remember this point, an equimolar solution of anhydrous ZnCl2 plus concentrated HCl. So in your answer, this an equimolar was missing. So keep in your brain that equimolar solution. Now, what it is going to do, let's see that why it is being used. If I am having any alcohol, if I am being provided with any alcohol, so remember that this OH negative is a very, very strong base. OH negative is a very, very strong base, kids. And very, very strong base means poor leaving group. Poor leaving group. Remember that it is being poor leaving group. So it will not leave this carbon whenever you bring HCl. Now, in the HCl chloride, how to find out whether it is weak base or strong base? Let's see. If I compare OH negative and Cl negative, just add a proton to both of these two. Once you are adding proton, this will become water and this will become HCl. Now, these are the base and these are being the acid, conjugate acid. Now, anyone can tell you who is stronger acid, water or HCl? Answer is HCl is stronger acid, and stronger acids conjugate base is weaker base, weaker base. So this cannot attack. Now, is there anyone who can tell me this reaction is possible or not? In between these two, reaction is possible or not? This is your reactant, that is your reagent. Now do let me know, in between these two, reaction is possible or not? The ball is in your court. Do let me know, because I want to see the answer in the chat section. Then it is meaningful. Otherwise, it is meaningless. Do let me know this reaction will take place or not. Shanti Mandal is saying no. Others, do let me know this reaction will take place or not. The ball is in your court. My dear students, मुझे जल्दी से बताओ, जल्दी से सभी लोग बताओ. सब लोग बोल रहे हैं नहीं होगी. Now, my dear students, if I say, in case of tertiary alcohol, turbidity will appear. Turbidity means translucent solution. Turbid solution, translucent solution. Translucent solution. That means in case of tertiary alcohol, this reaction will take place. Reaction will take place because turbidity appeared. Turbidity appeared means reaction ho jayegi, reaction will take place. So once again, you people got failed. Now, in case of primary and secondary alcohols, reaction is not feasible. Not feasible. Now, just think about that. The Lucas test, you were thinking कि तुमको आता है, मेरे को आता है, but आता नहीं है. अभी तक 2 बार फेल हो चुके हैं आप लोग. You have seen that 2 places you people got failed. Now let me tell you this thing in the laboratory. What is happening in the lab? Let's go to chemistry lab. In the chemistry lab, Champa ma'am is there, chemistry teacher. Champa ma'am is there. And Champa ma'am is a chemistry teacher. And number of students are doing their experiment. Man said, take alcohol in this flask. Everyone take alcohol in this flask. Okay, ma'am, we have taken. Now man said, add Lucas reagent to it. Lucas reagent to this. Okay, ma'am, we are adding Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is added. Now man said, if turbidity appears within fraction of seconds, if turbidity appears within seconds, that means the alcohol is tertiary alcohol. Now if turbidity appears after 5 minutes, if turbidity appears after 5 minutes, that means, kids, keep on writing in the chats, that means secondary alcohol. But for this you have to add Lucas reagent, and everything is taking place at room temperature. No heat is given, room temperature. Everything is taking place at room temperature. Now if it is being primary alcohol, do let me know, kids. For primary alcohol with Lucas reagent, turbidity will appear or not? Now the ball is in your court. Everyone, now the ball is in your court. Tell me, if it is being primary alcohol, turbidity will appear or not? Yes, Shanti Mandal, I will do that. Yes, I will do that. Long time, very good. You are right. 11 will appear turbidity after a very long period of time. Now, my dear students, why all these things are happening? Let me tell you. If you are provided with any carbon which is attached with alcohol, now ZnCl2 is a Lewis acid. ZnCl2 is a Lewis acid. Why it is being Lewis acid? Because vacant d orbitals. So this is the lone pair. This will attack over here. So acid base neutralization will take place. It will act as acid base. So fast reaction will take place. And what is going to happen? See, my dear students, carbon OH and ZnCl2. ZnCl2, negative charge and positive charge. Now, oxygen will say, I can't tolerate this positive charge. I can't bear out this positive charge. Now, what can we do? So, definitely, OH will go along with this. OH will go along with this, and the bond breaking will take place. The bond will break, and it will be like this: carbon plus charge, and ZnCl2OH negative, my dear students. Now, carbocation formation says, always think about rearrangement. जब भी कार्बोकेटाइन बनता है, always think about kids, always think about rearrangement. So it is going to be SN1. It is going to follow SN1 mechanism. So your chloride, from there chloride will attack from the front side as well as from the back side. Both side attack will take place, and in case of chiral carbon, racemization will take place. In case of chiral carbon racemization will take place. So it's very much clear that the rate of this reaction is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. Is it clear? सर आपको छोड़ के किसी और टीचर का लेक्चर अटेंड करना चाहिए सर, क्या चाहिए? ओ भाई मुझे नहीं पता, शांतिमय मंडल, नो आइडिया, नो आइडिया. नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, now see, for this reaction I can say rate of reaction is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. For this I can say only this much, that for Lucas test, rate of reaction is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Now once this thing is clear, now I'm going to move towards how will you distinguish in between alcohol and phenol. This is Baba daily revision for chemistry. I will come with each and everything, but whatever right now Baba is going to do, that focus right now, I will come with each and everything. Okay, now this was the distinguishing test in between primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Now how will you distinguish alcohol with phenol? Question is, how will you distinguish? How will you, second one, how will you distinguish alcohol and phenol? My dear students, what is the difference in between alcohol and phenol? First point is that how to find out the difference in between these two. Remember that whenever carbon is attached with OH and that carbon is being sp3, this carbon is a sp3, it is generally basic in nature. And if I talk about the carbon which is having OH and that carbon is attached with double bonded carbon, remember that it is acidic in nature. This is basic, that is acidic. This is being basic and this is being sp2 hybridized, acidic. Now what is the reason? If its H plus is moving out, then you will get a thing like this, and this negative charge is doing resonance, so it is stabilized by resonance, so it will easily lose its proton, so that's why it is a proton donor. But if here this proton is going away from this, the charge on carbon will be localized, so it is not stable. That means that reactant will not release proton. So phenol is, that's why phenol, just see phenol, enol, it is carbolic acid, that's why it is known as carbolic acid. Now this is all theoretical part. How experimentally you can see which one is alcohol, which one is phenol, how to get it. Now my dear students, see how to get that. Now if I am having two beakers, beaker number 1, beaker number 2, now if you add neutral FeCl3 solution, on adding neutral FeCl3, if you are getting any colored complex, if color is getting appeared, color formation says color, and that is generally brown color formation indicates it's phenol. Alcohols will not give any color with neutral FeCl3. No color formation. This is the point which I wanted to tell you, kids. I hope this is clear to all of you. Yeah, Shanti Moimandal with bromine water, but that is not going to distinguish that it is phenol only, because aniline will also give white color PPT with 2,4,6 tri nitrophenol or 2,4,6 tri bromo aniline. Both will give white color. I hope this much is clear to each and every one of you. Now, third one is, remember that, third one, very, very important, tolerance test. Tolerance test in your aldehyde and ketones. Tolerance test. Now, if examiner is asking what is tolerance test, can you tell me what is not? Tolerance reagent. Who is going to tell me about tolerance reagent? What is your tolerance reagent? Tell me kids, what is tolerance reagent? बताइए बच्चा लोग, टॉलरेंस रिएजेंट क्या होता है? एक बार फिर से फेल होंगे आप, फिर से फेल हो जाएंगे, और ये छोटी छोटी बातों में एग्जामिनेशन में एग्जामिनर फेल कर देगा. वंस आई डील विथ ऑल दीज टेस्ट, आई विल गिव फ्रेम आउट माय न्यू क्वेश्चंस and let's check it out whether you will be able to do all those questions or not. So fast, ammonical silver nitrate. Shreya from FeCl3. Shreya is saying color is wrong. Let me tell you, Shreya, let me tell you. This can be any color. Here, it can be any color. It can be any color. Any color. But generally, brown or purple color is appearing, right? Generally, you will get neutral FeCl3, brown or purple color. So don't worry. Any color can appear with neutral FeCl3 with phenol. Remember that. Violet also. My dear students, generally you get violet or brown, doesn't matter. Any color can appear. Remember that. Formation of color. Any color. Remember that. Here also people are getting failed. Generally teacher is saying violet color, but it can be any color. Got it? Shanti Moimandal, Shreya, mostly people are getting failed because teachers are telling them it's violet. It can be any color. Remember that. Got it or not? This can be violet, brown, purple, any color. Have you got it or not? Do let me know. Have you got it or not? Have you got it? There also people are getting failed at this point also. Now, freshly prepared. Yes, this freshly prepared word was missing. Freshly prepared. Ammonical silver nitrate solution. Ammonical silver nitrate solution. Now, my dear students, if you heat this AgNO3 plus ammonium hydroxide, first silver hydroxide will get formed. AgOH. Now, AgOH is a PPT, but we know that this PPT is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. So excess of ammonium hydroxide, you will get AgNH3 whole twice plus charge over there, plus charge over here. Now it can be given like this, it can be given like this, or it can be even given like this, Ag2O. The ultimate thing is Argentus, Ag plus. Now it is electron snatcher. It is being electron snatcher. Remember that, electron snatcher. Mild oxidizing agent. It can't snatch from ketones. It can snatch only from aldehydes. That means Ag plus can gain electron from aldehydes only. It can't gain electrons from ketones. That means with aldehydes, it will form bright shining silver mirror and no silver mirror over here. I hope that you kids are getting. Bright shining silver mirror will get formed only at this place. No shining silver mirror will get formed at this place. And my dear students, let me tell you one thing. You people are asking, sir, take mock test, take 50 great topics. My dear students, it's a business. Maximum people are doing this. Don't go and appear for any mock test. Don't appear in any mock test. Why? Ask me why. Then I will tell you. Ask me why. Asha ji, welcome. Ask me why right now don't appear for any mock test. Pucho kyun? Pucho kyun? Why not to appear in any mock test? Why not to appear in any mock test? Or why not to appear in any coaching test? Ask me kids, ask me why. Baba is telling you very, very bluntly this thing. My dear students, इस समय डर का माहौल है, डर का माहौल. इस समय डर का माहौल है. किसका माहौल है? डर. डर का माहौल है. डर, डर, you know, डर, डर, डर का माहौल है. और 99% people, just for making views, they are utilizing you people. Just for views, just for views, they are increasing this dar ka mahal. Dar, you know, dar ka mahal, they are increasing. People, it's a great time. You do your proper revision and try to take the classes based on particular thing. If any teacher is teaching you, giving you 100% quality content, so thank you 1111. So this time is for your 100% knowledge gaining, 100% knowledge gaining time. My dear students, if you are appearing in mock test, what you are getting? Nothing. Only the things which you know. You are going to appear for mock test and you are doing that. It's not the time to show your performance. That will be the final NEET examination. Right now is the time of learning. You are a learner. You are not fighter. You are not 100% having each and everything in your hippocampus. So this last 1 month is for learning better. Are you 100% sure about your performance? Do you know 100%? Are you 100% ready? If you are 100% ready, if your knowledge is 100%, then go for mock test. Otherwise, if your preparation is even 90%, then don't appear for any mock test. नहीं देना चाहिए. Shanti Moy Mandal, if your performance is 100%, if 100% you know, if 100% you know, then you can appear for mock test. Even if your preparation is 80 to 90%, then do not appear for any mock test. Now tell me, you are in which category? 100% you know? A category. If your knowledge is 100%, then go and appear for any mock test. But if you are falling in this category, do not appear for any mock test. You are in which category? Do let me know. You tell me. You are in which category? You are in which category? Shanti Moy Mandal, 1111, Asha, everyone just to let me know. Sahana, you are in which category? A category or B category? If you are in B category, do not appear or join any test series or mock test, my dear students. If you are in B category, don't join any mock test. And that's why Baba is not taking any mock test. Your rank, your selection will get killed if you are appearing for these mock tests and you are wasting your time. If you are appearing for this mock test and if you're falling in this category, your rank, your selection will get killed. Your selection is in danger. Your selection is in danger. Danger, kids, danger. Got it? Got it. Now I can't tell you more than this. I will come to the tolerance test, right? I'm going to come to the tolerance test. Now, any RCHO, when it is reacting with Ag plus, that is from tolerance reagent, and this is basic solution, then disproportionation reaction will take place. It will undergo oxidation and that will undergo reduction. So bright silver mirror formation will take place. And now, my dear students, heating is required. Why heating is required? Actually, this is a complex compound, AgNH3 whole twice positive. Now, complex compound, this is coordination is where to make it freely reacting, you have to heat it. Now, you just see, this one is your reducing agent. This one is your reducing agent. This one is more mild oxidizing agent. So this is an example of intermolecular redox. Intermolecular redox. Now, my dear students, whenever any teacher is making thumbnail 50 best topics, I will cover 10 best topics. Come and join the mock test. All they are indulged in business. They are doing business with you people and by the help of you people. Do just revision. I'm teaching you whatever. I'm making short videos, 10 minutes videos, which can help you a lot. Baba is not keeping long marathon. That is the wastage of time. Baba is just focusing those points where you are failing, where you need more importance. You have to give your time. Don't get indulged in bad, what to say, I'm not going to take those names, those words, kids. Remember that. Baba is a genuine teacher. I will give you selection. No one else. They are just minting money. They are just minting money on behalf of you. You see, every time they are asking, come and join this batch, that batch. They want money from you. They want views from you. No one is giving you correct knowledge, whatever is required by you people. तुमको क्या चाहिए वो देना चाहिए, ना कि मैं जो चाहता हूं मैं तुमको बुलाऊं. आओ आओ, just sit. The thing which you know very well. If there is one road, suppose if somebody made one road and this is very good quality road, this is a road, suppose this is a road and the quality of the road is very good, very good quality road. Somebody made this road 100% quality road, but by chance one day one truck has done 2 holes in this. By chance due to truck, two holes are there in the road, two holes. Now, what is beneficial? Should I make once again the whole road, or it's better to fill these two holes? Should I make the whole road, or should I just fill these two big holes? What is the correct thing? Should I construct the whole road? Should I start constructing for 2 months? It will take 2 months to construct this whole road, or it will take just one day in just filling these two holes. What should I do? What should I do? What is the best thing? Fill two holes. So the filling of these two holes, filling of two holes is like that. If any student is there, the student's knowledge is 70 to 80% he knows, and that rest of 20% I can teach. I can teach. If somebody is teaching this 70 to 80% and taking 2 months, 1 month, that is wastage of time. So don't go for long marathons. Don't go for mock test. Just focus on this filling of holes, 20%. What the thing which you don't know, just focus on that. Are you getting me? मुझे लगता है कि मैंने अपनी बात बता दी बेटा. समझो समझो, सब तुमको बर्बाद करने में लगे हुए हैं. Now, इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर redox. Kids, मुझे नहीं पता आपको कितना समझ में आया. How much you got it, I don't know. But Baba is 100% true. Try to understand. Don't get indulged in those things. Kids, do let me know. सर कुछ टीचर्स स्लाइड लेके आते हैं और बोलते हैं देखो 50 टॉपिक से आता है. भाई अगर वो इतने महान होते तो उनकी कोचिंग से सब सेलेक्ट हो जाते. शांति मोय मंडल, मुझे बताओ, अगर वो इतने ही महान होते तो उन्होंने सारे बच्चों का सिलेक्शन पिछले सालों में करा दिया होता. बाबा ने तो ऐसा कभी नहीं बोला कि हम स्लाइड लेके आए इसी में से सिलेक्शन होगा. इफ यू सी माय प्रेडिक्शन ऑफ पेपर, I have written over there each and everything. I have never tried to make you fool. Now my dear students, remember that compounds which give positive tolerance test, which give positive tolerance test, compounds which give positive tolerance test, all aldehydes. First is all aldehydes. All aldehydes, all aldehydes, whether they are aliphatic aldehydes or aromatic aldehydes. Remember that aliphatic, as well as aromatic, as well as aromatic. Now all aldehydes will give test. All ketones. Now my dear students, if I write all ketones, then what will you say? All ketones is right or wrong? All ketones which are alpha hydroxy. Now my dear students, this is the point where examiner will make you fail. This time they will give you question from here. This is the shocking statement. All ketones which are alpha hydroxy. NCERT is writing you can distinguish aldehyde and ketones by tolerance test. What I have written, all alpha hydroxy ketone. Why alpha hydroxy ketones? Let me tell you this thing. Why alpha hydroxy ketones? If you are provided with any ketone like this, CH2OH, C double bond O, R, and the basic medium is there. This will do tautomerization. 1, 2, 3. From 1 to 3, this hydrogen will go, and before doing this, because this is sp2 hybridized carbon, so I will not do that. First, the tautomerization will take place from here. 1, 2, 3. This hydrogen is sp2. This will migrate. This will go to third one, and this will come over here. So you will get CHOH, C double bond COH, and R. This is known as enediol. Enediol. Once again, tautomerization will take place. Tautomerization. Tautomerization. Now, what will happen in this tautomerization? 1, 2, 3. From 1 to 3, 1 to 3, this hydrogen will go from this side as well as from this side, and double bond will go over there. So you will get CH double bond O, and this will come over here. So CHOH R plus CH double bond O COH HR. Now, in this way, ketone got converted into aldehyde. So actually these aldehydes will give positive tolerance test. I hope this is clear to all of you. Otherwise, ketones will not give this test. This is very, very important point. Normal ketones will not get oxidized. So see, take care that if I take normal ketones on reaction with Tollens reagent, no silver mirror formation, no silver mirror formation, no silver mirror formation. What does it mean? No silver mirror formation means no reaction. No reaction. That means aldehyde and ketones can be distinguished by this test. Aldehydes and ketones can be distinguished by this test. By this test. Now, my dear students, what type of question they will ask on the basis of this? Let's see. If they say that how will you distinguish, this is my question number 1, how will you distinguish propanol and propanon? So definitely they will give you options. Option A, Brady's test. Option B, BR2 test. Option C, Tollens test. Option D, Lucas test. What's your answer, kids? I'm making new questions. Just see, Baba is never giving you copied questions. Do let me know, kids. Sahana has given the correct answer. That's Tollens test is the correct answer. Now, do let me know Brady's test. Both will give Brady's test. Both will give. So we cannot distinguish. That means both will form silver mirror. If both are forming silver mirror, how to find out which one is which? We cannot find. Now tell me, BR2 test. Who will give BR2 test? Who will decolorize bromine water? Who will decolorize bromine water? Do let me know. Out of these two, who will decolorize bromine water? My team, please provide me water. My team, please, if you're listening, provide me water. Quick, 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 kids, quick. Who will decolorize bromine water? Fast. I'm not getting answer. Kids, you are taking too much time. And that's why I'm telling you, fill the holes. Snehita, sir, please do a video on effect of groups on stability. Yeah, I will do that. I will do that. No one. Sahana is saying no one. Others, who will decolorize bromine water? This is a test given by unsaturated compound, given by or shown by unsaturated compound, shown by unsaturated compounds. Tell me, kids. It is shown by unsaturated compounds. Do let me know. करवाऊंगा शांति मोय मंडल, मैं सब कुछ करवाऊंगा, बट आपकी प्रेजेंस चाहिए. आप गायब हो जाओगे फिर कैसे कराऊंगा, किसको करवाऊंगा? आपको क्लास में आना पड़ेगा. नाउ bromine water test, Shriti, Snehita, only Sahana has given the answer that both will not give. Now Shanti Moy Mandal 11, do let me know who will show bromine water test. This is the question. Tell me. I'm waiting for your answer, kids. Who will show bromine water test? Answer to you have shown. Answer to given by you, but I want the clarity. My dear students, no, I am not getting the answer, kids. What's the benefit? फिर किसको पढ़ाऊं मैं? आप आंसर नहीं बता रहे हो. कौन इनमें से ब्रोमीन वाटर को डिक्लोराइज करेगा? इन दोनों में से प्रोपेनॉल एंड प्रोपेनॉन. It is a test of unsaturation. Alkene, alkyne shall be saying it's okay, but tell me, this is propanol. This is propanol. And this is propanone. Who will decolorize? Who will decolorize bromine water? Who will decolorize? जल्दी से आंसर बताओ. 11 शांति मोय मंडल, शाल्वी, श्रुति. अगर आपको आएगा नहीं तो क्या करोगे? मॉक टेस्ट देके. पढ़ना जरूरी है. टेस्ट वेस्ट देने से कुछ नहीं होगा. लोगों के व्यूज आएंगे, चैनल चलेगा उनका. तुम कहां? तुम बर्बाद हो जाओगे. Shreya, alkene, propanone, none. Now see the correct answer. Both will give. Answer is both will give. Now ask me why and how. Both will decolorize. Now ask me how. पूछो क्यों और कैसे. पूछो कैसे. पूछो कैसे. पूछो कैसे. ये सीखने की जरूरत है आपको. You have to learn all these things. Yes. Shreya, very good. But Shreya, your answer is wrong. Shreya, your answer is wrong. See, propanol is having alpha hydrogens. It is having two acidic alpha hydrogens. Once basic medium is coming, it will tautomerize. Right now it is saturated compound. Right now it is being saturated. It is being saturated compound. Now this will convert into unsaturated. Although this is being 1% only and that is being 99%. But this will decolorize. Enol, it will convert into enol. You must have studied in tautomerism, and that's why I made yesterday I made one video. What is required? If you have seen that, Bhagwan, very good, very good. Welcome, Bhagwan. Now see, propanone. If I write here propanone, CH3, C double bond O CH3. It is having 6 alpha hydrogen atoms. That was having 2. This will also tautomerize. And this will also become unsaturated. This will also become unsaturated. Can you see, kids? Now this will decolorize bromine water. Now you got it. Both have become unsaturated, and that's why they will decolorize bromine water. Have you learned one point? Sahana, you got it. Something new, everyone. Got it. Now, my dear students, let's go back. Tolerance, Lucas test, none will go. None will give. None will give. None will give. And this tolerance test will be given by propanol will give. Propanol will give. Now, my dear students, other compounds which will give positive tolerance test. Let me show you what are these compounds which will give positive tolerance test. Compounds which will give positive tolerance test. Are you learning something new? Everyone, just do let me know. Are you learning something new? Do let me know, kids. Are you learning something new? Do let me know, kids. Everyone, just do let me know. Positive tolerance test, TT will be given by, will be shown by. Now see, kids, if I talk about all monosaccharides, all monosaccharides, and now this thing is equally good in chemistry as well as in your bio also. Chemistry as well as in your bio also, am I right? All monosaccharides like glucose, mannose, galactose, fructose. Now fructose is a ketone. Fructose is a ketone that is known as ketohexose. Ketohexose. But then also it is giving positive tolerance. What's the reason? Because by Lowry D. Brown van Eckenstein rearrangement, this will change into glucose and mannose, and they will give this positive test. And that's why all monosaccharides are known as reducing sugars. Why they are known as reducing sugars? Baba is scolding us badly in chemistry language. Yes, because you people are asking for mock test. Once you are not prepared, your revision is not proper, your knowledge is not proper, your content is not there, why you are appearing for mock test? I can't understand. Now, so all they are known as reducing sugars. What is the meaning of reducing sugars? Reducing sugars. Now, the meaning of reducing sugar is that they are reducing agent. One meaning is they will undergo oxidation. Will undergo oxidation. Will undergo oxidation. Why sugar? They are sweet in taste. They are sweet in taste. Sweet in taste. That's why sugar. And all reducing sugars will show mutarotation. Will show mutarotation. Mutarotation. I hope this point is clear to all of you. If you want to take a screenshot, you are most welcome. You can have that. Got it, kids? Now see, kids. all disaccharides, accept all disaccharides are reducing sugars, accept kids, are reducing sugars, accept. Tell me, accept. Anyone? Is there anyone in this class? Accept. Who can tell me accept? Accept. Tell mama, tell papa, do not go for mock test. Just have knowledge, gain knowledge. Sucrose. Now once again you people got failed. Accept sucrose and accept sucrose and one more is there. Three hellos. Very good, Santimoy Mandal. Very good. Three hellos. Why they are doing this? That is your bio. You should know. That is given in your bio because this is having 1,2 glycosidic linkage of alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. No aldehyde or ketonic group is free, and this is 1,1 glycosidic linkage of alpha D glucose. I hope that everyone got it. So remember that these two are non-reducing sugars. Got it? Shantimoy Mandal, you all are very good. That's why you are in this class. The one who are fake students, they can't handle Baba H.S.P. I'm so much true. I'm 100% pure. And you can't tolerate Baba H.S.P. Once you are a good student, then only you can tolerate Baba H.S.P. Sahana, Santimoy Mandal, 1111, Shalvi, Shiv, Asha Bikane is new, I think. The one who is going to get rank only can handle Baba H.S.P. Not everyone can handle Baba H.S.P. kids. Now come back kids, come. Now other compounds, let's see. Other compounds. N-phenyl hydroxylamine, NH. Remember that they have asked twice in the examination. N-phenyl hydroxylamine will undergo oxidation to give you NH coordinate bond O by Tollen's reagent. Its name is N-phenyl hydroxylamine. Now, formic acid. Why formic acid? This is the only acid which gives positive test. Do let me know. Formic acid, because it is having CHO group. If you see it clearly, it is having aldehyde group. Just see, just focus over here. This is aldehyde group. Now, my dear students, all hemiacetals. Why all hemiacetals? All hemiacetals. What is there in hemiacetals? Remember that RCHOR OH. When you put OH negative, they will convert into RCHO. That's why they will also give. If you want to take a screenshot, you can have it, kids, right? Now, my dear students, ready for next? Now, remember that all alkynes, this is something special. All alkynes with terminal H, terminal H or terminal triple bond. Now, my dear students, this is very useful one. This is very different one. Why this is different one? Let me tell you that if you are having compound like this and if you're reacting it with Tollens reagent, then you will not get silver mirror. No silver mirror. No silver mirror. Now, sir, no silver mirror. Then why you are saying it is positive Tollens test? No silver mirror, but then also positive. Yes. Let me tell you why. You will get a white PPT of disilver acetylide. This is white precipitate. Remember that. No silver mirror, no bright silver mirror. In place of that, you will get white PPT, but still you are getting color. That's why it is Tollens test. It's a distinguishing test. But remember that here you will not get silver mirror, right, kids? Everyone got it? Baba, forgive us. We are your kids. Yes, but remember that learning of this month is very important, not the mock test. Everyone, all they are moving. See, you know, all are moving just like they are doing moving in bhed chal. I don't know what you call in English. Baba, I have watched your old lectures of organic chemistry conversions. Very helpful. Mostly I take recordings. Okay, Bhikane, but comment over there so that I can understand. भेड़ चाल में सब चल रहे हैं. आप भी भेड़ चाल में चलोगे तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा हाथ में. सेलेक्ट होने वाले कुछ लोग होते हैं, बहुत ही very few students, and you will never see them that they are in the crowd. They are not the part of crowd. The selected students are never the part of crowd. They have their own road, own path. Now, my dear students, now alkynes. Now, next test is Fallings test. Are you ready for Fallings test? Is everyone ready for Fallings test, kids? Are you ready for Fallings test? Do let me know, is everyone ready for Fallings test? Fallings test. Now, my dear students, how many of you are missing this part, that which compound will show Fallings test and which compound will not show Fallings test? Remember that. What is Fallings reagent? Focus on Fallings reagent. What is Fallings reagent? Tell me, what is Fallings reagent? What is Fallings reagent? So answer is, Fallings reagent is Phalanx A plus Phalanx B. What is Phalanx A and Phalanx B? Is there anyone who can do? Let me know in the chat section. What is Phalanx A and what is Phalanx B? Do let me know in the chat section. Tell me what is Phalanx A and Phalanx B? Phalanx A is CuSO4 dot 5 times H2O aqueous solution, and Phalanx B is sodium potassium tartrate plus what is there? Basic medium. Remember that, basic medium. This is also known as Rossel salt. This is also known as Rossel salt. Now, when you mix these two and heat it, on mixing and heating, you will get a very special compound, CuNH3 whole 4 sulfate, that will get converted into CuNH3 whole 4 OH whole twice. That will finally get converted into CuNH3 whole 4 2 plus. Now you know that it's hybridization sp2d and dsp2. Very, very important compound. Yes, 1111, you are right. So ultimately, phalanx reagent is Cu2 plus, that is in the form of CuO or CuOH whole twice. It is in need of one electron. It is also in need of one electron. And with whom it can take one electron? Just see, that is the point. Now, that is the point which holds a hell lot of weightage. Just see, kids. See, this Cu2 plus can snatch electron with whom? It can snatch electron with whom? RCHO, benzaldehyde. Am I right or wrong? If you have any doubt, you can tell me. Benzaldehyde, normal ketones. Normal ketones. So answer is yes. Answer is no, no. What do you mean by this? It can snatch one electron from aliphatic aldehydes. Only aliphatic aldehydes. Aliphatic. Not from benzaldehyde. It can't take electron from benzaldehyde. Remember that. It can't take electron from benzaldehyde. And it can't take electron from ketones. Now, how will you answer this? How can you see this? Whenever it is doing this, it will appear, its color will appear Cu2O, that is reddish brown, or simply they can write red, or they can simply write red, and there is no color appearance. No color appearance. Here, no color appearance, and there you will get that color. Now, my dear students, how you will answer this question in the examination? How many of you are worried if you're going to cram it? Bhul jaoge. So apply brain. See, what is that brain? See, if I say in the electrochemical series, if I talk about electrochemical series, there is Cu2 plus, Ag plus, whose SRP value is more? Whose SRP value is more? Do let me know. Cupric or Ag plus, whose SRP value is more? Definitely the SRP value is in this order. SRP. That means if there is only one electron, this will take that electron and it will convert into silver mirror, and this won't be able, because its SRP is more. That means it is better oxidizing agent. Better oxidizing agent. So no need, there is no need to cram it. Just apply. It can take electron from aliphatic as well as aromatic, and that can take electron only from aliphatic aldehyde. It can take electron from aliphatic, and this can take electron from both. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, just like phalanx, same is Benedict's. Benedict's test is same as Benedict's test is same as phalanx. All the compounds, rest of other things, only the difference is, remember that, only the difference is that Benedict's B is Sodium potassium citrate, sodium potassium citrate, citrate. That's it. Only the packing is different. No other difference is there. Only the packing is different. So Tollens, Phalanx, Benedicts, once you have done this, before I move ahead, I will give you some questions based on this, right? And then I will give typed questions. So it's the time for questions based on this. Questions based on now one test is left. One test is left, that is iodoform test. Let me teach that iodoform test also, then I will give these questions, right, my dear students? First, let me teach that iodoform test and then I will give questions based on this, because iodoform test holds a hell lot of weightage. Are you ready for that, kids? First, let me tell you iodoform test and then I will frame out questions, new questions. See to it, kids. Hello form test. Hello form test. Oh, electricity has gone. It's no electricity. What to do now? Let's see. If it is not going to work, I have to manage something. Let's see. Sir, do you angry on me? Oh, beta, I have to teach. Lucky Shiva, I'm not angry. But remember that Baba is interested in teaching because it's your career. I can't destroy time, kids. There is less time. Right, Lucky Shiva? Okay, I'm not angry on anyone. Now, hello form test. Now, hello form test. My dear students, if I talk about hello form test, in this, there is no fluoroform test. Either it will be chloroform, it will be bromoform, and the most important is iodoform because its color is yellow. So better to say iodoform test. This is the most important one, right? Iodoform test is the most important one. Now, what type of compounds will show this test? If you are having any compound like RCHOH, CH3, or you are having any compound like R C double bond O CH3. Now basic requirement is this part, this much of part, kids. Remember that this much part is required. This much part, either I talk about this compound or I talk about this compound, this much part is necessary, right? Wherever the green marked is there. Now what is going to happen? If I say that I'm adding to this X2 plus NaOH, what I will get? I will get RCOO negative plus CHX3 plus salt and water. Now, my dear students, this is oxidation of this compound, and during this reaction, double bond will not get affected. Remember that. Note, during this reaction, double bond remains unaffected. Now it is oxidation. So if you want to take a screenshot of it, you can have it, my dear students. This is very, very important, and let me explain it. Now, if this CHX3 is iodoform test, if this is CHI3, this is yellow PPT, which holds a hell lot of weightage, yellow PPT, right? So it is very, very important. So let me give 2-3 reactions so that you can understand. So that, okay, now see, my dear friends, see. Hello form test. Hello form test. If I say that I'm provided with this compound CH3, CH2, CH2CO, CH3, 2-pentanone, and another compound like CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Now, which will give hello form test and which will not give? For example, if I'm writing NaOH, NaOH and I2, or they can give you NaOI, sodium hypoiodate. Now, here also I2 plus NaOH. Now, you see, whatever I have told you, what was the required part, its methyl ketone is given over there. But if you see here, this is carbonyl, and on the right hand side and left hand side, there is no methyl, no methyl, no methyl. So no yellow PPT, no yellow PPT over here. That means no reaction, no reaction. But here you will get yellow papita, yellow papita, yellow PPT you will get. That means this is known as positive tolerance test. This is known as positive iodoform test, and this is negative as negative iodoform test. I hope this is clear. Then are you ready for questions, everyone? Newly framed questions. Generally in mock test, what is happening, kids? In mock test, you are going to appear, you are not ready, or if you're going to appear, now there will be error, question will be out of syllabus, all the questions, repeated question, no one is having time to make new questions. They are minting money, and your career will get destroyed. That is copy paste. Said, what is the use of giving mock test? Now see, Baba is going to frame out new questions in front of you. Just see. Question number 1. Here is first question. Just see. Are you ready? Everyone, are you ready? This is going to decide your career. Very, very important for NEET 2026. First question. An organic compound, capital A, an organic compound capital A, on reductive ozonolysis, O3, zinc and water, gives B plus C. Now, this gives positive tolerance test, positive iodoform test, and this gives negative tolerance test, positive iodoform test. And the molecular formula of the starting compound is C5H10. Now the question is, what is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name of A. IUPAC name of A. I'm not going to give options. Your time starts now. Let's see where you stand. Let's check it out. Yes. Answer this question's answer. Baba is waiting for your answer, kids. This is the place where your selection is for sure. If anyone is teaching you like this, go and join that teacher. The one who is thinking for your career, kids. Go and join that teacher, not the fake teachers. I'm waiting for your answer. You are taking too much time, kids. If you are taking more than 1 minute, that means you don't know anything. My cool tube, you are not regular. You got late. Why you got late? You are away from your selection. But yes, sorry, you are regular. Today only you got late. Extremely sorry, my cool tube. I'm first of all extremely sorry. Sorry, my cool tube. You are regular. Only today you got late. Sorry. 2-methyl butene. 2-methyl butene. Please accept my sorry. My cool tube. You are regular. Really regular. Now, Ashipriya, you are getting late. Now, let's see. This is the only compound. There is only one compound in this world which gives both positive. That is acetaldehyde for sure. This is for sure. This is the only one and only one compound, acetaldehyde. And how many carbons are left? 3 carbons. So with 3 carbons, the ketone. Why I am saying it is ketone? Because it is giving negative tolerance test. Negative tolerance test indicates it is ketone. Negative tolerance test. You were there. Oh, then try to answer the questions and little bit interactive in the chat. Okay, my cool tube. No, 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 no. I'm sorry. You are very good student. Sorry. Dil se sorry. My cool tube. Sorry by heart. Ashipriya. Oh. Now see. Just combine these two. Just combine these two. Let's see how to combine CH3. CH double bond O. And Sahana, my cool tube is Jyoti. My cool tube is Jyoti. Sahana. Jyoti, my cool tube is Jyoti. So remove these two oxygens and you will get original compound. CH3, CH double bond C, CH3, CH3. Now the IUPAC. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-methyl butene. Very good. Congratulations. Now, badhayo. Oh, you know. Now, another question. Now, see another question. Ready? Is everyone ready, kids? Another question. Now, see on your screen, another question. See, both are giving positive tolerance test. Here, positive iodoform test, but negative iodoform test. What is the IUPAC name? Yeah, it's a magic. Sahana, it's a magic. Thank you, Chef. Thank you. Now, everyone, just to let me know in the chat. What's the answer? Quick. Kids, quick. What should be the IUPAC name? Fast, kids, fast. Very fast. Do let me know. Pentuin, Sahana HSPN, very good. Fantastic. Now see kids, this is to acetaldehyde for sure. And that is indicating that it is an aldehyde because positive tolerance test. So with 3 carbons, only one aldehyde exists, and that is this one. Just combine these two and your answer will be here. CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2, CH3. So pentuin. Very good. Awesome. Now another question. Are you ready for another question? Everyone, next question. Let's see next question. Question number 3. An organic compound molecular formula C6H12 on reductive ozonolysis gives, this is organic compound A, gives B plus C. B gives positive tolerance test, C gives positive tolerance test. C gives positive iodoform test also. This gives negative iodoform test. This shows Cannizzaro reaction. This gives aldol condensation. Now, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? Take care and try to give the answer. Very, very tough question. I would like to say it's going to be SRDQ, rank deciding question. Just see and try to do it. This is really very, very good question. Very, very good question. Let's see who is going to give the answer. My cool tube is saying benzaldehyde. Your answer is wrong. Absolutely wrong, my cool tube. Thank you, Ship. Thank you. Everyone just tell me what's the answer. Thank you, Shuribidda. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Everyone just do let me know what is the correct answer. Fast. Shanti Moy Mandal. CH3 wrong. Your answer is wrong. Shanti Moy Mandal. Your answer is wrong. Everyone try that out. 2-methyl hex 2-ene. Sahana 2-methyl hex 2-ene. I think Sahana's answer is correct. Let me frame it out. Let me see to it. Everyone just see. This is the acetaldehyde. We know very well. This is acetaldehyde. Now, how many carbons are left? 6 carbons. Out of 6, 2 have gone. 4 carbons are left. 4 carbons. Now, let's see with 4 carbon what is possible. If I try it out, if I write like this, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO, then it will not show Cannizzaro reaction. So this is over and out. Positive tolerance test is indicating this is aldehyde. So now which aldehyde is left? So if I frame out this aldehyde, now see, this aldehyde is having just one alpha hydrogen and that is not acidic. So it will not show aldol condensation. It will show Cannizzaro reaction. So just combine these two. If you combine these two, what you will get? You will get CH3. You will get CH3. You will get CH3. CH3. CH. CH double bond CH. CH3. Now let me see what should be the IUPAC name of this compound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4-methyl pent 2-ene. Pent 2-ene. Everyone got failed because you were writing hex 2-ene. I think so. The correct answer is 4-methyl pent 2-ene. How many of you got passed? If you got passed, show me green signal. If you got failed, fire. If you got failed, then show me fire signal. If you got passed, then green signal. Let me check it out. What's your performance? Everyone, do it fast. I want to see. Is there anyone who got passed? Is there anyone who got passed? Let me see. Now you are talking about mock test. You just see your condition. You just check out your condition. And you're talking about mock test, kids. No. Isobutyldehyde does not give aldol. It will never give aldol condensation or aldol. Its hydrogen is not acidic. You will get failed. Bikane. This is very, very good question. Isobutyldehyde. Whenever you are having a compound like this, remember that any compound like this, CH double bond O and 2 alkyl groups located over here will never show, will never give aldol, will never give aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. Why, kids? There are two reasons. First thing, for aldol condensation, at least two alpha hydrogens are required, one for formation and one for condensation. First thing, even it is not going to form aldol formation product. Why, kids? These two are will provide electron, and we will increase the negative charge by plus I. Maximum charge increase, stability decrease, so it will not get formed. Stability decrease, so it's not acidic, so can't show aldol. So the OH negative can't attack on this acidic H, can't attack on this acidic H. It will act as a nucleophile and it will attack over here. Once it is acting as a nucleophile, it will show Cannizzaro reaction. I hope you got it. Bikane ji, Bikane Saab, you got it? This will never get formed, Got it? Is it clear? Now ready for another question? Are you ready for another question? This is your test. This is also your mock test. If you are really getting passed in these tests, then go and join any test series or mock test. If you're not able to fight over here, don't join any mock test. Are you getting my point, everyone? Are you getting my point? Now, next question. Question is, an organic compound see, yeah, yeah. See, Baba is framing out new questions, and that is from NCRT only. Have you ever seen any teacher just thinking in the air and framing out question? Have you ever seen, kids? If there is any teacher, go and join. If you see any teacher like this, immediately framing out question, go and join that teacher. Tell me what is starting compound. What is this compound? This compound. Its IUPAC name. Its IUPAC name. Do let me know. Do let me know. Thank you, Suryabuddha. Yes, Shriti. Yes, Shriti. You see the difference. You see the difference. Let's see who is going to give me the answer. Only 1111 has given the correct answer. This time only 1111. See how and why. Just see. 1111 got passed. See, C9H12O. 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 Always remember, whenever we are suffering, we are having deficiency of vitamin C or vitamin A, we reach to the doctor. This compound, Sahana, just see, this compound is having deficiency of. This compound is having deficiency of. If you compare with the alkane, C9H20, its alkane will be C9H20. So it is having deficiency of what? Do let me know, everyone. My cool tube, Sahana, everyone, just do let me know, deficiency of what? This compound is having deficiency of hydrogen. And if deficiency of hydrogen, that index hydrogen deficiency, DU or DVE, how much DU DVE is coming out? Index of hydrogen deficiency, DU, some people call it DU, some people call it DVE. That is how much? That is how much? X plus 1 minus y by 2. X is number of carbon. 9 plus 1, 12 by 2. 10 minus 6, 4. That means one thing is for sure. One thing is for sure. What is that? What is that? Benzene. This 4 is indicating that benzene is there. Because you know du of benzene is 4. One cycle and 3 double bonds. One cycle plus 3 pi bonds. Sahana, one thing is for sure. Sahana, my cool tube, you people are getting failed because you are not listening to Baba. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Sorry, my cool tube. But see, now if you remove benzene from C9H12O, C9H12O, if you remove phenyl C6H5, because something will get added, C6H5, what is left? C3H7O. Am I right? This is left, C3H7O. And now if you see the question, it is giving benzoic acid. That means on benzene nothing else is added. Only one alkyl is added. Only one alkyl is added. This is indicating that on benzene only one alkyl is added, and that is giving positive iodoform test. Positive iodoform test is indicating what? Positive iodoform test is indicating that either C double bond O CH3 is there, or CH OHCH3 is there. Now, what is there out of these two? Which possibility is there? That I don't know. Now, let's see. If I add CH2, C double bond O, CH3, what molecular formula I am getting? C6H5, C6, C6, C7, C8, C9. C9 I got hydrogen 5 to 7 and 3, 10. I got 10. So there are 12. That means this is also not possible. This is wrong. This is wrong. Now only one option is left, that I should go with this compound. Now you check it out. Each and every condition is satisfied. That this part is indicating iodoform test and molecular formula is also perfect, C9H12O. Now only one thing is left. What should be the IUPAC? So count it from 1, 2, 3. 1-phenyl propane 2-ol, propane 2-ol gets Anu. Hi H.S.P. Baba, I am Karan, your old student. Because of you, I qualified Neet. I was watching short and saw your oh my god, wait. Gets, because of this channel, my old students, they are coming and they are appreciating Baba. Thank you, Anu. Thank you. Really thanks. And if I remember, Anu, you are in AIMS Delhi. Anu was a topper. He got 710 or 11 marks, if I remember, out of 720. If I'm not wrong, Anu, you got 710 or 711 marks and you are in AIMS Delhi. Am I right? Yes. Everyone, huge round of applause for Anu. Wow. Now, anyways, let's move ahead. I hope this is clear. To each and every one of you. Now, next question on your screen. An organic compound capital A molecular formula C6H12, on doing reductive ozonolysis O3, zinc and water is giving B. B gives positive iodoform test, negative tolerance test. B on reaction with concentrated H2SO4 gives macetylene. Now you people are supposed to tell me the IUPAC name of starting compound. IUPAC name of this compound. Your time starts now. Fast, kids, fast. Baba is waiting for your answer. Haribala, why you are writing, why you are not in fake academy? They are fake people. They are just cheating students. That's why. Two 3-dimethyl 2-butene 11-11. Fantastic. Your answer is absolutely correct. Now, my dear student, you see, only one type of compound is indicating after reductive ozonolysis, only one type is indicating that this is symmetrical. This is symmetrical. This must be symmetrical. And it is giving positive iodoform test, but negative tolerance test is indicating it is being ketone. That is indicating that is ketone. And ketone with 3 carbon, only one thing is possible, that it is acetone. This is acetone. That is being acetone. So this will be, just combine 2 moles of acetone. You will get CH3, CH3, C double bond C, CH3 and CH3. So its IUPAC will come out 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3 dimethyl butene. Now, questions based on aldehyde and ketones got completed. Now I'm moving ahead so that I can give you more tests. So all the tests should get completed within time, right kids? Ready, ready, ready? Then I will give you more questions, right, my dear friends? So let me give you some more test. The test is 2,4-DNP test. Have you heard this name? 2,4-DNP test. 2,4-DNP test, also known as by the name Brady's test. Brady's test. Now, my dear students, if I talk about this test, this is given by all aldehyde and ketones, but what is the reagent? Remember that the reagent is, and for this test the reagent is 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. This is also known as Brady's reagent. This is also known as Brady's reagent. Now, in this, if you react any aldehyde or ketones carbonyl group, you will get ROI, either red or orange or yellow color. ROI color, red, orange or yellow. Now, how to remember? In Hindi I would like to say that दो चार दोनों ने पी. In Hindi, दो चार दोनों ने पी. दो चार दोनों ने पी और बाद में रोए रोए रोए. दो चार ऐसी मुलाकातें होंगी, फिर तो बातें होगी. दो चार दोनों ने पी. क्या? ब्रांडी. दो चार दोनों ने पी और बाद में रोए. दो चार दोनों ने पी. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सोडियम बाइसल्फाइड टेस्ट. सोडियम bisulfite test. I hope that you must have heard about it. Sodium bisulfite test. This is shown by reactive aldehydes and ketones. That means aromatics will generally not give aromatic carbonyl compounds and higher aliphatic ketones will not give this test. What will happen in this test? If you react any carbonyl compound with sodium bisulfite NaHSO3, then direct formation will take place, and that will be CSO3 Na and OH, white PPT. Remember that white PPT formation will take place. Now, how they will ask one question on this? How they will ask question? Just see the question based on this. That question is, how will you distinguish CH3 C double bond O H and acetophenone? Its name is acetophenone. Remember that. First option is iodophone test. Second is bromine water test. Third is tolerance test. Fourth is sodium bisulfite test. E is both C and D. What's your answer? Ball is in your court, kids. Everyone, do let me know, kids. Baba is waiting for your answer. Fast, kids, fast. 11 is going for D. I'm waiting for others to answer this question, kids, fast. Others. Fast, kids, fast. Shriti is right. Shriti is right. Shriti is right. See, now Shriti, you have changed your answer. Good afternoon, Pranshri. You got late. Baba was waiting for you. So the answer is E. E is the correct answer. See, this will give positive tolerance test. It will give negative tolerance test. So this is the answer, tolerance test. Now sodium bisulfite will react with sodium bisulfite, will not react with NaHSO3. I hope you got it. So E is the correct answer. E is the correct answer. Maximum people got failed. Maximum people got failed. See, it is aldehyde, it is ketone. Aldehyde will give positive tolerance test. It will give negative tolerance test. Agreed or not? Everyone agreed or not? Just do let me know that. Yes, sir, it's right. Kids, fast, do let me know so that I can move ahead. Do let me know, kids. Quick, kids, quick. TSP gaming, make the written material clear and just add part 2. What is the meaning of this TSP game? Shanti Moy Mandal, just 15 minutes more. 15 minutes. Okay, now come back everyone, come back. Now see, everyone, next is carbylamine test. Carbylamine test. Now, my dear students, this carbylamine test is shown by only primary amines. Shown by primary amines, whether they are aliphatic or aromatic. Aliphatic as well as aromatic. Now what will happen in this test? Let's see. If you are having 1 degree amine, then how to check it is 1 degree amine? That NH2 should be there. Now on adding chloroform CH, Cl3 and KOH, you will get Ranisa, RNC. This is foul smell. Foul smell means very bad smelling compound, bad smell. They can get bad smell, foul smell, or unpleasant smell. They can write unpleasant smell. And this is poisonous too. Poisonous bhi hota hai ye, poisonous. And isocyanide, it is also known as carbylamine. Carbylamine. I hope this is very much clear to all of you. All primary amine, aliphatic amines or aromatic amines will give. Okay, TSP gaming, no problem. Primary amines only. Now let's see, can you answer this question if they are asking? So question is, how many will show carbylamine test? Carbylamine test. Just see. How many will show carbylamine test? So compounds are CH3, CH2, NH2, CH3, CH3, CH, NH2. Next is CH3, 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 NH2. Next is aniline. Next is benzylamine. Now tell me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 compounds on a screen. What do you think? Yes. What do you think? It's Kushi, welcome. Everyone, Madhavi, welcome. Do let me know. There are 5 compounds on your screen. How many will go give positive carbylamine test? Shriti is going for 1 and 4. Everyone, now let me write down options. Let me give you options. A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4, E, 5. There are 5 options. Do let me know. What's the answer? Fast, get fast. 11 is going for E. 5, all. Shantimoy Mandal, all. Now, my dear students, this will give and this will give. Generally, people will go for 2. Generally, people will go for 2, but they will get failed. Just see, all is the correct answer. All is the correct answer. This is attached with the carbon. This is also NH2. Just see NH2. NH2. If NH2 is attached with 1 carbon, it is always primary amine. All they are primary amine. All are 1 degree amine. So all they will give this test. Is it clear? So many people got failed. Many people got failed. Remember this, all they are primary amine. Teacher has tried to show that this is secondary amine and it is looking like tertiary amine, but all they are primary amine. Next kids. Now the primary amines test. If I talk about primary amines, how many tests are specific for primary amines? So I will say 1, so I have told you carbylamine test. Carbylamine test. Second is mustard oil test. Mustard. That is Hoffman mustard oil test. And third is for all amines. That is Hinsworth test. That is for everyone. All 3 amines can show Hinsberg test. That I will tell you, my dear student, Hinsberg. Now, what happens in mustard oil test? In mustard oil test, RNH2 plus HgCl2 plus carbon disulfide gives Rn double bond C double bond S. Its pungency is like mustard oil. Pungency, smell, a particular smell, that is mustard oil. सरसों की तेल जैसी पंजेंसी होती है. इसका नाम क्या है? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड? एन एल्काइल और एराइल isothiocyanate. Isothiocyanate, remember that, isothiocyanate. And let me tell you about secondary amine. This is given by primary amine, this is given by primary amine, but this is given by all amines. Now my dear students, let me tell you the 2-degree amines. What are the tests for 2-degree amines? 2-degree amine, if I talk about 2-degree amines, they show one test is there that is known as Lieberman's nitroso test. Have you ever heard about it? Lieberman's nitroso test. What is that? This is very, very important. Very, very important. Very, very. It holds a hell lot of weightage. Lieberman's nitroso test. In this 2-degree amine R2NH, when reacted with NaNO2, NaNO2 HCl, we will get R2. We will get R2 N double bond O. What is specialty about it? It is yellow oily liquid. This is yellow oily liquid, and its name is N-dialkyl or aryl. Let me write down once again. N, neat and clean. N-dialkyl or aryl nitrosamine. Now this on reaction with H2SO4 and then NaOH will give GRB. What is that GRB? Green color converting into red color, and then finally will settle down at blue color. So if only yellow oily liquid is coming, then also we will say it is Lieberman's nitroso test. All 2-degree amines will give, neither 3-degree nor 1-degree amine will give, all they will give. Now my dear students, let me tell you one very, very important thing. Phenol, when reacted with, this is very, very important, when phenol is reacted with NaNO2, HCl, it will form para-nitrosophenol, and its color is also what? Para-nitrosophenol, and its color is also yellow oily liquid. This is also yellow oily liquid, my dear students. Now it's time for Hinsberg reagent. First let me tell you Hinsberg reagent, then I will tell you one specific test which will definitely come in your examination but not given in NCERT anywhere. That is sodium bicarbonate test, GRB. Yes, sodium bicarbonate test. Then with the questions, printed questions, class will get over. So it's all things about 10 to 15 minutes, right? Now I will not take time more than 10 to 15 minutes. Maximum time 10 to 15 minutes, right kids? Now Hinsberg test. Hinsberg. Hinsberg test. Now, what is this? This is shown by, you can distinguish all three amines, primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary, secondary, and tertiary amines can be distinguished. Let's see. What is Hinsberg reagent? First of all, let me tell you, Hinsberg reagent is benzene sulfonyl chloride, or you can use paratoluene. Nowadays this is used, paratoluene benzene sulfonyl chloride, because its mass is more, so it can be stored for longer period of time. That's why, nothing else. The reactivity is same, no other changes. Just see what is going to happen if I am having RNH2. Now this is having two acidic hydrogen. Now let's see, just like Thakur, ye haath mujhe de de. In the movie you must have seen Thakur, ye haath mujhe de de. So same thing is going to happen. Benzene sulfonyl chloride will come over here. Benzene sulfonyl chloride, SO2. Cl will come over here, and HCl will eliminate out. HCl will eliminate out. Then what will you get? You will get a compound like this, RNH and SO2. This is known as sulfonamide. You must have seen RCONH2 is amide, but this is SO2NH2. So an alkyl or allyl, an alkyl or aryl benzene sulfonamide, benzene sulfonamide. Now my dear students, it will release HCl, and you know that how the HCl comes out. HCl, you can see that if you have seen HCl, but in the examination no need to see. Now see, this is still having one acidic hydrogen. This is acidic hydrogen, and this acidic hydrogen, when you react it with NaOH, you react it with NaOH, because NaOH is a base that is alkali, and acid base neutralization will take place. So soluble, that compound is soluble in alkali. Why it is soluble in alkali? Because of that acidic H. Now you can understand, if it would have been secondary amine, then it must have only one acidic hydrogen. Then secondary amine will react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, but there will be no acidic hydrogen left in secondary amine, so that will not be soluble in alkali. And if I talk about tertiary amine, then NRRR, there is no acidic hydrogen or nitrogen, that will even not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. So you can understand. Maria, welcome, but you are not regular. Maria, you are not regular. I'm missing, but you know that for your selection, forget about the mock test. Join those things which are really required. Now, my dear student, this is done and dusted. All tests I have told you. Now, what is left? What is left? Which test I have told you is left? Which test I have told you is left? Which is not given in your books, which is not given in your books. Do let me know which test, Yes, one more thing, let me tell you, that is very, very important. Just see, if I say that if you are having RCONH2, if you are having RNH2, now the comparative study, you see, if I react it with Br2KOH, if I react it with chloroform CHCl3 KOH, and if I react this one with HgCl2 and carbon disulfide, now see, the three products, they are looking like same. Just see, only a slight difference is there. Just see, my dear students. Here intermediate is formed, and this intermediate, just see, is R N double bond C double bond O, and here the product is formed, its name is R N C, and here R N double bond C double bond S. They are looking like same. All three are having only a slight difference, and in the examination you will get failed. Take care of it, otherwise. See, this is isocyanate, nate, and this is isothiocyanate, nate. In both of these, 8 is there. 8. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. 8, past tense. But here, neither. Take care of all these things. Now, which test? I have told you missing. Happy birthday. Yes, very good. That is happy birthday. This is your carbylamine, and this is your Hoffman mustard oil. This is Hoffman bromamide degradation. This is carbylamine, and that is being Hoffman mustard oil test. Now, sodium bisulfite test, so you have studied, but sodium bicarbonate test, that holds a hell lot of weightage. This is going to be second last. Maria Baba, I am facing network issue here. That's the reason. Okay, take care. Okay, take care. Maria, take care. Now, sodium bicarbonate test. Yes, sodium bisulfite test, so we have studied, but sodium bicarbonate test, everyone see. Sodium bicarbonate test, very, very important. Missing in NCERT, but sodium bicarbonate test. One more test I will tell you, Victor Mayer test, that is also missing in NCERT. Missing part of NCERT. This is missing in NCERT, but very, very important. Now let's see what is this. If you are having any acid like this, RCOOH, now I will tell you the detail. First, let me write down sodium by NaHCO3. Now, this is having acidic H. That is also having acidic H. Now, both are saying, I want to donate my acidic H. Then in this condition, if both are having acidic H, who will donate its acidic H? That depends the one who is more acidic. So see how to find out the one who is more acidic. So it has donated its proton, and this proton has gone over there. Na positive, HCO3 negative, it has accepted. This is donor, that is gainer. Donor of H plus gainer. Now, how the reaction will move, just see. That will become Rexona, RCOONA, and this will become H2CO3. Now, my dear students, this is carbonic acid. There you have studied carbonic. Remember that this is carbonic acid, and this is mixed of H2O plus CO2, and you will not see this reaction with your naked eye. So you pass this carbon dioxide to lime water, and lime water will convert into milky. Lime water will change to milky. If pass in excess, then once again that will disappear milkiness. Now, if lime water is turning milky, what is the meaning of this? If lime water is turning milky, what is the meaning of this? Now, my dear student, its pKa value is 6.4. Now, if the given acid, if this acid is more acidic, then only the reaction will proceed in the forward direction. Otherwise, if this is more acidic, means if that is less acidic, then this will be more acidic, then reaction will go in the backward direction. If the reaction is going in the backward direction, no carbon dioxide will get released. No carbon dioxide means no lime water will turn milky. That means this reaction or this test is shown only by those acids which are more acidic than carbonic acid. Are you getting my point? This test is shown only by those acids which are more acidic than H2CO3. Sodium bicarbonate test. Sodium bicarbonate test is shown only by those acids which are more acidic than H2CO3. Now, how to find out which acids are more acidic than H2CO3? So, remember that Salman square picks RSO3H, Salman squaric acid, Salman square picks picric acid, Salman square picks. What is the meaning of this Salman square picks? Sulfonic acid, squaric acid, picric acid. Salman square picks on Facebook account. What is Facebook account? Just see HCOOH, Facebook benzoic acid account, acetic acid. What is the code for formic acid? F, benzoic acid B, acetic acid A. Facebook account along with Karina, Hasina, Priyanka. Karina H2CO3, Karina, Hasina, Priyanka. Now see, your carbonic acid has come. That means phenol will not show this test. All these will show this test, but they are less acidic. So these all will show. But now on Facebook account, if you add nitro to the phenol, then they will start showing. Now, let me give you one question based on this. So if I say that RSO3H when reacted with sodium bicarbonate and RCOOH when reacted with sodium bicarbonate, what type of gas will get evolved? Here is the gas A, here is the gas B. Can you tell me what are the two gases A and B respectively? A and B respectively. Let me give you options. A, carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide. B, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. C, sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide. D, sulfur dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Do let me know. What's your answer? Ball is in your court. Kids, ball is in your court. Do let me know. B. C. Sahana is going for C. Shriti is going for B. Shriti, B. Sahana, Shalvi is going for C. Get fast. Baba is waiting for your answer. Everyone, just do let me know. What's your answer? A and D. 11, 11, A and D. Now, my dear students, only one answer is correct. Now, A is the correct answer. See, it will give its proton to this. It will give its proton to this. In both the two cases, by accepting this proton, definitely it will become carbon dioxide only. Why sulfur dioxide gas will come over there? Only this is giving acidic H. Why this will come out? Only their work is to donate proton. Everyone got failed or not? Everyone got failed or not? Do let me know. Now you are giving for test. You are going for test. You are appearing for mock test, but you don't know anything. What's the use of? Apply common sense. Now, another question. How many compounds will give positive sodium bicarbonate test? Yes. What's your answer, kids? Now, after this only Victor Mayer test and protein test. So it will take 5 minutes more for Victor Mayer test and protein test, and then after that printed questions. Some of the questions we will solve over here and some other questions for homework, right? So it's work of 5 to 6 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes are required, okay? Four, four, four. Everyone is going for 4. Let's see. This will not give this. So benzyl alcohol, sp3. So it is basic. So it will also not give. This will 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 give. Rest of others will not give. So what's your answer? You said 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the correct answer. Shriti got passed. 5 is the correct answer. Now, anything you want to say? No, nothing. Now, Victor Mayer test missing in NCERT. Victor Mayer test missing in NCERT. Victor Mayer test. Before I start Victor Mayer test, let me deal with that test which you know very well. Before Victor Mayer test, let me give you that test which you know very well. Bromine water test. This to everyone knows very well, right? Br2 water test to everyone knows. So let me give you question. How many will give? How many compounds will decolorize Br2 water? Options given as benzene, naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthrene, ethylene, propine, CH3, C triple bond N, CH3, CO, CH3, 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 C double bond O, H, CH3, C triple bond C, CH3. Check it out. What's your answer? First, you give me why third one will give. Third one. 1, 2, 3. This is 2,4-dinitrophenol. Okay, let me explain. Wait. Let me explain this one. Thumb rule. I've given you thumb rule. Remember that thumb rule. Only Baba H.S.P can give. Each addition of NO2 at ortho or para in phenol will decrease its pKa by 3 approx. So we know that phenol's pK is how much? Phenol's pKa is near about 10, that is 9.9, so I can take it 10. Now you are adding 2 NO2s. Once 2 NO2s are added at ortho and para, how much pK will decrease? 3 to just 6. So 10 minus 6 is coming out 4. And carbonic acid's pK was how much? H2CO3 6.4. This was the pK. Who is more acidic? Less is the pK, more is the acidic. So less pK more acidic. Got it, Sahana? Is this clear? Is this clear? No. Now, what is the answer of this question? This is a rank deciding question. Even teachers, most of the teachers will get failed. What should I talk about, students? Even most of the teachers will get failed in this question. Most of the teachers will get failed for this question. Now, let me give you options so that you can do it. Let me give you options. Otherwise, you will not be able to pass. Options are Yes, which option you will opt? 1111 for 7. 7 is not in the option, so 1111 you are in safe zone. Just check it out. Just check it out. Now the ball is in your court, kids. Ball is in your court. See to it. Now, definitely, definitely the one who is very, very weak, the one who is very, very weak, they will go for these options. The one who is very, very weak, one, two, three. The one who is very, very weak will go for three options. Three options. The one who is intelligent will go for one more option, that is four. The one who is intelligent will go for four. But my dear students, remember that benzene and toluene will not give this test being unsaturated, but will not show this test being unsaturated. But then also they are not going to show this test because of they are aromatic. But my dear students, remember that if more than two fused rings are there, more than two fused rings, then they will become more reactive. It is given in class 11th, not given about BR2 test, but they have given they becomes carcinogenic. Their reactivity increases. And remember that these will give positive bromine water test. These two will give positive bromine water test. Positive BR2 test. So this question once again has become tough. This is very, very tough. This has become very, very tough. So whenever you see more than two fused rings, they decolorizes bromine water. More than two. More than two fused rings. More than two fused rings. More than two fused rings. Remember that, more than two fused rings. Now, so answer is 6. 6 is the correct answer. This was a nice question, tough question. Now, my dear friends, come to victim A test. Yeah, this is anthracene and that is phenanthrene. Now, before I give you victim A test, let me see that printed material. Let me check it out. Sahana H.S.P and saying Mary Maria 2007 fam means Baba is becoming more popular. Thank you, Sahana. Thank you. Thank you. Now, let's see. My team is working day and night to give you best, the best. Before I move towards victim A test, it's very, very, oh my God, what's there? So it's very small. Let me make it big. Now just see. Is it visible to all of you? Or should I give it for homework? Its visibility is very, very small. So just see. Baba, Baba, Shanti Moy Mandal, chhod do. Okay. So can you do all these questions? Can I give all these questions as homework? Now only one test is left. Only one test is left. That is Victor Mayer test. So let me complete that Victor Mayer test and protein test. It will take just 2 to 3 minutes. And then you can do all these questions. I will share the PDF. You can do all these questions at your home and answer in the chat. So let me complete Victor Mayer test. Are you ready for that, kids? Is everyone ready for Victor Mayer test? Now see, if by chance they are asking very simple question, then primary alcohol will give blood red color, secondary alcohol will give blue color, and tertiary alcohols will not give any color on Victor Mayer test. Once we talk about Victor Mayer test, VMT, 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 Victor Mayer test, Victor Mayer test, Victor Mayer test, it will give red rose color, red rose color, it will show blue eyes, hypnotized blue color. And in 2016, they have given this question, no color. In different format, they have given this Victor Mayer test. This is simple one. And now, nahi, baki test baad mein nahi hona, only one is left. It will take 2-3 minutes and protein test. Then class will get over just 3 or 4 minutes. Just 3-4 minutes. Shanti Moy Mandal, 3-4 minutes. You have to stay back, right? Now, my dear students, in detail, Victor Mayer test in detail. Remember that if you are provided with primary alcohol, if you are provided with primary alcohol kits, so RCH2OH, they will ask the sequence of the reagents also. Remember that they will ask sequence of the reagent. Sequence of the reagent. That is also very, very important. Phosphorus plus I2. So it will convert into RCH2 I, then reaction with AgNO2. Remember that AgNO2, it's not NO3, silver nitrite. They will ask silver nitrite, not nitrate. Then you will get RCH2 NO2. Then nitrous acid, that is HNO2. In place of HNO2, they will write HNO3 also. Remember that it's not HNO3, HNO2. Yes, PDF I will upload just after the class, right? Tomorrow 11:11 in the evening I will take class 11's molarity mixing one, and tomorrow I will come with questions based on name reactions. Tomorrow I will come with questions based on name reactions, simple name reactions questions, right? Nitrous acid, now how it will react? See how nitrous acid will react. It is having 2 acidic H, and nitrous acid will come like this, N double bond O, OH. This is nitrous acid, and it will remove water from here. Just remember, water will get removed. Now you will get RCNO2 double bond NOH. This is known as nitric acid. and now this on reaction with NaOH will produce red rose color. What is that red rose color compound? Not required in your exam, not important for your exam, but this is the sequence of reagent. Remember, the sequence of reagent holds a hell lot of weightage. So everyone, you have to learn the reagent sequence. Sequence is very, very important. Now, second thing, not only that this primary alcohol is giving this color, along with the primary alcohol, this will give, and in the exam 2016 they have given this, they have started from here. Yeah, in the evening you can join. Yes, it's for everyone, it's for everyone. Now if I take secondary alcohol, then you see, my dear students, why I have started class 11th. In the evening, you will get proper visualization of molarity, normality. That is the base for your syllabus selection. If your base is clear, all the chapters, they will become super easy. That's why that class, evening class, is very, very important. Maria, Baba, create a Menti war or poll competition so that class will be more interesting. Okay, Maria, I will try that. Menti war. Okay, let me try for that. Yes. Now, secondary alcohol R2CHOH. It is just having this acidic 1H. P plus I2, you will get R2CHI, then AgNO2, silver nitrate, R2CHNO2. Now nitrous acid, you know very well. Now this time nitrous acid will come like this, NOH, double bond O, because it has to remove water, so it is having just one acidic H, so you will get RCNO2 N double bond O. This is known as pseudonitrile. Now with NaOH, it will produce blue color. Blue eyes hypnotize. Now my dear friends, in the primary alcohol at this place we were having 2 acidic H, but in secondary alcohol we are having just 1 acidic H. In tertiary alcohol there is no acidic H, so no further reaction. There nitrolic acid, here pseudonitrile. Baba, keep the frame of thumbnail same for particular series. Okay, right, Sahana. That's so nice of you. Yes, I got it. Very good, Sahana, very good. That's nice suggestion. Nice. Now, only one thing is left. Only one thing. That is test for proteins. Very, very important. Test for proteins. Now, my dear students, they will not ask in detail, but you should remember the names. Test for proteins names only. What are the names? One is xanthoprotic test. This to everyone knows. Xanthoprotic test. That protein plus HNO3 in your lab you must have seen. Protein plus HNO3 produces yellow color. हाथ पीले हो जाते हैं. Yellow color. Now, next is ninhydrin test. Next is Hopkins test. Millions test. Now these are the tests. Biuret test. Now with this, Baba has told you all the test, right? Now the class is up. I taught you each and everything, kids. I hope that all the distinguishing tests, if you are in need of, you will see this file, you will see this class, and the questions, printed questions are there, and one question I am giving from my side at the last. I need answer of that question, the question which I am going to give you. Just wait. I want this answer in the at the last in the comments. Will you give? Make a promise. I want the answer in comments. Brilliant question. Answer in comment, right? Now, question is, an organic compound C6H12 on reductive ozonolysis gives A plus B. This gives positive tolerance test. This also gives positive tolerance test. This gives positive iodophone test. That gives negative iodophone test. Right? So you have to tell me the IUPAC name of this compound. IUPAC. Now, just wait, kids. Wait. There is some correction. Positive, in place of positive, it is negative. Negative tolerance test. Negative tolerance test. IUPAC name. Okay. I would like to see the answer of this question in the comments. Make a promise that you will provide PDF. I am going to share in the Telegram. PDF. What is the Telegram? If my team is there, please share that Telegram link. I'm sharing number of things in the Telegram, kids. t.me/HSPN. Very important. I will share over here. So, thank you, kids. All the best. Take care, and do let me know the answer in the comment section. Baba will be waiting for it. Bye to all of you. Take care. In the evening, molarity, mixing, and visualization class. Bye-bye. Take care.